sister.
What's your name?
Avery.
Oh, yes.
And today we're opening the scruffaluv. You know, guys, I opened this for my birthday, and her name is Joey. And we're gonna see what animal is this: a rabbit, a cat, or a dog.
What is it?
There's 3 animals.
So this is a surprise, right? Surprise animal.
Our uncle gave us this one.
Yes. And
we got some water.
So what do you need?
all right, let's open it and see what we have.
We need what? We need water?
And her name is Chloe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but let's see
Alright.
what kind of animal Chloe is.
You know, it's a dog.
Okay.
You know, guys,
open them.
I'm also gonna
you
wash
open?
Joey in. So
Why don't you put Joey in the bath first?
This is my dad.
Yeah.
And my dad says I need to wash Joey up.
So why don't you put Joey in first to warm up the bath?
Oh.
Okay. And then this one. Who? Can you open this?
Oh yeah. Oh, she's
Okay.
getting.
All right, hold on.
Okay. So
All
now
right.
open
Let's
the
watch
new
Avery
one.
open it up.
Amy, what do you got? I think a dog.
Okay.
Let's see. So there's 3 animals here.
Yeah, there's 3 animals. You
It can
heard me
be-
just now.
It's one of the 3. What are the 3 animals, Summer?
What are the 3 animals?
Rabbit, dog, and cat.
No, good job.
And which one do you want, Avery?
Do you know, guys, my sister loves cats.
Which one do you want, Avery?
Oh, I mean a dog.
You want a dog?
Well, I have the same bowl as mine.
All right, hold on.
All right. What do you
So
get?
what does it look like when it comes out?
Mommy, I think Amy got the same.
Show the camera what it looks like when it comes out. Show everyone.
Yep.
It looks
Oh.
like this.
It's a ball.
It's like a ball.
Yes, it's so wrinkly.
Okay, Avery, now put your animal thing, whatever.
All right.
What is it?
So yes, you need my help? Why don't you let me help you? All right. So now we have an animal. We have no idea what kind of animal it is.
Yeah.
Is it a chicken?
Guys. No.
Huh?
It's not other animals. It's kind of like your pet at your house. Kind of like your pet.
Oh, rabbit.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna look good.
So you see, Summer is washing her pet.
Do you know, guys? Summer, we got the same comb. Yeah. Do you know,
All right.
guys? This is a dog. Joey's a dog.
And we got the same bowl.
All right.
Yeah.
So
Hey guys, I want to show you my Joey accessory script.
Okay, Avery?
So it comes with this certificate of adoption.
Yeah.
Yes,
cute.
congratulations.
Comb.
Congratulations.
Okay. I think she
All right.
needs a bath, right?
So now, what are we gonna do?
Hey guys, this is my Joey's accessories. This is the same,
All right.
and
Yes,
this is
they're
her
the same
collar.
color.
See,
Okay.
All right.
See,
Wait.
it's not the same.
Joey.
Should we put it in the
Joey.
water to see what animal you got?
Yeah.
Alright, put it in the water. Put it with Joey
Put in
then.
the Joey then.
I will put it.
Okay,
Yeah, you put it, you
Avery
put
will
it.
put it.
Alright.
Let's
Okay,
see.
gentle, okay?
Gentle.
She's very
Yeah.
Yeah.
small.
Now I'm gonna leave while you guys give the 2 animals a good wash.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Alright,
See
wash.
you later.
You wash it. How do you wash it?
First, we just take out the accent. Oh, she's gonna. Oh yeah. Oh, you got it. You got it. Guys, it's almost opening up. Ivy, you just press this open then,
Gentle, otherwise she hurt herself.
or you just take out her boo boo. It's okay. Just take out a little bit, and just don't hurt.
Oh, I see the feet.
I see
Maybe
the
did
claw.
that help her? Someone help? Avery?
No, I
Oh,
can't.
you can. Okay.
Ah. What is it? Looks like a dog
You
to
put
me.
the water like this, like a real.
Yeah, same with Joey too. You have to
Yeah.
put water all around.
Oh,
You
mine.
get them in there, you know?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Ah!
Yeah, it's okay. That's the point. You get them.
Joey,
okay.
Joey.
Oh my god.
Okay, what do you got? Look like the water's out. Can you put more, mommy?
Oh.
Oh yeah, I see an arm.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
Take out. Come on, Avery, you can do it. Oh, you got it. Wait, I see a face, a blue eyes, just like Joey.
Do we know what kind of animal it is?
Oh, I see some pink nose.
No, we
A
don't
pink
know
nose.
yet.
Wait, take out this.
It can be anything.
A cat! I knew it was cat.
What?
It's a cat.
No,
Look at the
you don't
ears.
know yet. You don't know
We
yet.
don't know yet.
It's a cat.
No, but
So cute.
It's
remember Joey also had ears like that in the beginning. Maybe the ears are not done yet.
Maybe.
All right.
All right.
It's like I'm so
Give him
comfy.
give him a good soak.
Oh!
You do it. Give him a good soak.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
Are you
god!
guys having fun?
Squeeze.
Mommy, it looks like the water is coming out.
You know?
Yeah.
Okay, are you done with the water?
You can't squeeze like that.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
What is it?
I think it's a dog.
Are you guys done?
No.
Okay, the towel's ready.
No, it's not. You have to get really good, you know.
I will find the brush, okay? Be right back, guys.
No, Daddy's mine.
Make sure it gets lots of water.
Where's Joey's bowl?
Here.
Where? I mean, no, Joey's coat.
All right, I think it looks like a soup now.
In the morning, I just saw it here.
Is it enough?
I don't know.
Is it enough, Avery? I think we can dry it.
No, don't put it out there as a word.
What's her name again?
Chloe.
Maybe
Oh,
let's share
Chloe.
the brush together.
No.
Why? I lost my brush.
Go look for it then.
What?
Then share it, okay, Avery?
No.
See? Oh, I
Okay,
can't
okay,
find
okay.
it.
All right, Avery.
All right, done.
Let's take it out and dry.
Take it out. Put the towel. Oh!
Okay.
I want the blue one.
Okay, this is yours.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
All right, it's like a real dog.
Okay, you guys dry good. Then mommy will help you with the blow dryer.
All right,
Can
hold
you
on.
just share the brush with me, please? I lost it. No. Sharing is caring, remember? I lost it.
Okay, we
please.
share it later. We look for it.
I look for it.
Okay. All right, guys, we dry Chloe now, okay? And
How about mine?
dry
Joey.
Joey too. Still soaking wet. You're supposed to squeeze it before you put.
Huh?
She has a
I thought
big
Cindy and
eyes.
Madison had this.
And then, okay, you dry the ears.
I'll try the.
Oh, so cute! I think it's a cat.
No, it's a dog.
It's a dog.
Look at the ears. I pronounce it's a cat.
Yeah, I think it's a cat.
Yeah, it's a cute cat.
I knew it.
Is it cute?
I thought it was a dog. You said you have some
Here, why
dog.
don't you use this brush instead?
What? It doesn't look like a scruffaluv.
Sama.
It looks so weird.
Okay.
In the morning, I just saw it.
Summer, just use this one then.
I just
This
saw
one
it.
works too.
No,